In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a website on Bluehost server step by step, so you can remove the correct site safely and avoid deleting anything by mistake. If you've got an old project, a test site, or a website you no longer need, this guide will walk you through the exact process inside Bluehost. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost lists all of the sites connected to your account. From here, find the website you want to delete and click Manage Site. Make sure you choose the right one, because once you remove it, the site and its data may be permanently deleted. Now that you're on the website management page, open the Advanced tab. This section contains the deeper settings for your site, including tools related to files, domains, and site management. After that, scroll down until you find the Site Management section. This is where Bluehost keeps the option to remove the website completely. Inside Site Management, look for the Delete Website option. When you find it, click Delete Website. Bluehost will then show you a confirmation step to make sure you really want to continue. Usually the website URL will appear in red as a warning, so take a moment and double check it carefully. This is an important step because it helps prevent accidental deletion. Next, copy the displayed URL exactly as it appears and paste it into the confirmation field. This tells Bluehost that you understand which website is being removed and that you want to proceed. Once the URL is entered correctly, click Delete to permanently remove the website from your Bluehost server. After you confirm, Bluehost will begin the deletion process. Depending on the site size and setup, it may take a moment to complete. When it's finished, the website will no longer be available from your Bluehost account. And that's it. You've now deleted a website on Bluehost server using the built-in website management tools. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more Bluehost and WordPress help, and leave a comment if you want to see more hosting walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.